This is just a quick tutorial on how to fillet flounder and sole. So to start, you just find a lateral line. It's a little hard to see on the camera, but there's a lateral line right here. What you're going to do is you're going to slice along there, and you're going to peel the meat over as you go. Right here, you have the stomach and the gut area. So what you're going to do on this side is you're just going to slice along there along the gut cavity, because there's no good meat right there. Then up here, you can go along the top, along the head, and you can slice there, because there's a lot of good meat up there. And then, as I said, you just kind of fold the meat over as you cut. I'll just take a video, but I'm going to make sure that I speed up the video so you can see it all. Okay, there's not much of a piece of meat on this side, but what you do is once you add it just down to the skin, you're just going to slice along right there, and make sure that you don't get any bones from the fins right there. So there's one slice, and now I'm going to just keep doing the rest. And there you go, you can just kind of see that that's the skin and the tiny little muscles for moving the fins. So now I'm just going to cut along there to get the fillet. And there you have it. And now I'm going to just do the exact same thing on the other side, and I'm not going to talk at all because it's the exact same thing. Again, the gut cavity right there. Don't get any meat there because there isn't really much there. And then make sure that you cut around the head there to get all the meat. Okay, now there is no meat left on there that's really worth going for. That's just the stomach cavity, very small amount of meat there, so I'll just get that out of the way. Then we're going to skin these. Okay, now I'm going to skin the fish. So all that you do is you put your thumb on the skin, and you're going to have a slight downward angle, but not enough to cut through the skin. You're just going to slowly slice along there. Just keep slicing along there. Slight downward angle. You can grab the skin to make it a little easier. You're just going to do a slight sawing motion down there. And then now all you have is a nice chunk of meat. And now I'll just do that to all the rest of the pieces of meat. And there you have it. There's your 4 pieces of flounder, and it's the exact same way if you have a sole to clean them. Sole or flounder, even halibut, any flatfish, and you'll get the 4 pieces of meat. And that's the end of this video.